Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how I made a Matka based air cooler, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. First I took an old exhaust fan and a DC female jack. I soldered the wires properly and connected them to a 12-volt power supply. However, the fan was spinning very slowly, so I decided to upgrade it. I disassembled the fan and removed the old motor. I made a hole in the center of the propeller, removed its magnet, and then fixed it onto the new motor using Fevikwik. I also slightly enlarged the hole in the fan's frame to fit the new motor and secured it in place. Then, I soldered the female jack back to this motor. This time, when I connected the power, the fan worked really well and provided strong airflow. Next, I took a clay pot, carefully marked it and cut a hole. I smoothed the edges with sandpaper. Then, I took a small piece of Sunboard sheet, measured the pot's opening, and cut the sheet accordingly. I also made a hole in the sunboard to mount the fan. After attaching the motor, I fixed the female jack into the sunboard and did the soldering again. I cleaned the pot filled it with water and placed the fan assembly on top. Finally, I connected the power supply and the fan worked perfectly, providing cool air. Now our project is ready, so see you in the next one.